Welcome to Beyond Beliefs. Today we count down the top 5 unexplained phenomena that continue to puzzle scientists around the world. Ball lightning is a rare and mysterious electrical phenomenon. It appears as glowing spheres during thunderstorms, but no one fully understands how or why it forms. Scientists have studied it for decades, yet the phenomenon remains elusive. In Taos, New Mexico, some residents hear a low-frequency humming sound called the Taos Hum. Despite extensive research, its exact source is unknown. The mysterious hum continues to baffle experts and frustrate locals. Spontaneous human combustion is when a person suddenly bursts into flames without any apparent cause. While many cases are reported, science has no clear explanation for this baffling and tragic event. The placebo effect occurs when people experience real healing after receiving a fake treatment like a sugar pill. How the brain triggers such physical responses remains a fascinating mystery that science has yet to fully explain. Dark matter makes up about 27% of the universe's mass but cannot be seen or touched. Scientists detect its presence only through its gravitational effects on galaxies. What dark matter really is remains one of the biggest questions in physics. These mysteries remind us how much there is still to learn about our world. Which phenomenon surprised you the most? Comment below, and don't forget to subscribe to Beyond Beliefs for more amazing stories.